Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. This is actually the continuation of the video which we did last week, like important sites which a trader or investor will be knowing. So I'll be going in detail about the sites which we have seen last week. So it would be like a fundamental site and a technical site. So accordingly, I will be giving you a deep introduction. So on a day, I'll try to cover one or two sites. I mean, two sites individually. Like I'll be going to the loop and corner on what are the facilities we are having in this site and what is the screener that can be built inside this screen. Like that, simply I'll try to navigate all the options which is provided in that particular site. And adding to it, I have also seen three more sites for the fundamental analysis. I will share that along with you shortly, and that will also be given a deep introduction and on some in the upcoming sessions which is going to come. So before I start moving on to the actual topic, I want to thank all the subscribers who are part of my channel. So I want to thank all the 458 subscribers who are part of my channel. And if you are watching this video as the first time, I would advise you to make a subscription to our channel so that all our latest update on stock market related things will be coming to you directly to your inbox. Before I start my video, there is a disclaimer. Investments are subject to market risk, so kindly consult your financial advisor before investing. So the thing which I am going to speak here is about the first topic which we have seen, right? The fundamental sites. Screener.in is one of the first important site which every fundamental investor should need to know. So this is without login and this is with login. Okay, it is like the normal login. Okay, and it is without login. Let me show you all the things. So when you give any search here, right, any company search you give here, what will happen is it will list all the things. The peer comparison, all things will be coming here. So whatever the things which is available in the market, the peer comparative things, like if you give one peer in IT sector, all the others who are contributing, all the things you will be getting it. So this is something that I have written for myself. So all this is populating. So I have already logged in the other terminal. Let me show you one by one. Okay. So moving on to the login. So this is actually the login which you can create for your own. That is something like you can create like a profile, similar like a email ID creation and all these things. So when you do a login, you will be having this four sections: news, watch list, screens, tools, and your profile. So news. News is something that you can add any stocks. So it's like all the stocks which you have added, right? So in that, I have added something. So this is the companies I have added. So for all these things, I'm getting some news related things. So you can add any number of stocks as per your, for example, I want to add Infosys. I'm going to add it. So Infosys is added now. So let me add DMART. So DMART is added. So you can add accordingly so that all the updated news for this thing will be coming here. So that is first option we have in this. Next is watch list. So whatever the stocks you added right here in the news things, all these things will be displayed here. Third is the screens. This is something very much important, and using this you can play like anything. Play like anything in the sense whatever things you require in the market, right? So currently we'll be having close to currently we have 2,653 companies which is trading on a day-to-day basis. So how to identify which stock you have to buy and what is the quality you have to adapt, and for this quality only this screener is going to help you. So that is what the screener is going to do. So how to confirm the quality of the stock, that is something like a fundamental analysis concept. So we are not going to go deep into all these things. I can show you what is the free things available here and how you can able to code a simple thing. Like, so this is all the screeners, free screeners which is available. For example, this is having a close to 501 pages, and in each page, it will be having one complete rule set by one person, something like the public things. So it's like more or less you will be having very close to more than 1,000 plus screeners here. You can use it singly, one by one, and accordingly you can go for it. Okay. Right now, let me show you how to make a screener. Simple screener, okay? New stock screen. I am putting a new stock screen. It is the query which we have to do it. Clear? Let me start here. So it is something like I want a company where the debt equal to 0. my company need to have a debt equal to 0. Let me run this query now. So I am having a result of 512 companies. You can see the top. My company, I mean, out of this 2,600 companies, debt-free companies in the market as of now is 512. Let me move to next level. And you put and here, then only you will be moving to the next condition. Now, I want my company promoter, I can put one more thing, just a moment. I want to make sure that the promoter holding is very clean. So I am putting unpledged promoter holding equal to 0. Let me run the query. So now, out of 512 companies, only 24 companies are there available without pledging. So this is my condition. Likewise, you can add any multiple condition. I am removing this now as of now, and I will show you how I filtered 2000 companies, 2600 companies, and how I got. So from 2653, now the list is 512. Okay, and I am adding one more condition. Like whatever condition you can add according to your fundamental, not an issue. I'm putting unpledged promoter holding equal to 0. Means that there should not be any pledge. See, only I am getting 24 companies. So this is the condition. Now I have coded one more thing. So I want a nil debt-free company and I want a promoter holding should be clean. I mean, should be higher than 50%. Now, running this query again. So I am finding 286 companies. So likewise, you put any multiple number of queries and you can able to get any number of companies. Accordingly, you can go ahead and pick it up. So one more thing, you can go ahead and have these screeners which is available free also. So this is one big advantage of this. So this is something like only premium things they are allowing it. So this all we have in screeners. You can code any number of things in screeners accordingly, whatever things you have. So it's like you have ROE related condition, you can able to code that is return on equity and ROC, you can able to code. And you want to see the quarterly results, you can able to code year-on-year sales growth. Anything is available. You type the first keywords, you will be getting everything. And accordingly, you have to put the and in the ending. So accordingly, you can code to get your result. Accordingly, your quality of the stock will be coming. Again, you have to do some basic research. So that is something which is related to your own thing, and you can take it up. So this is how you have to use screener.in in a proper way, my dear friends. So now the next site which we are going to see today is trendline.com. It is again a basic idea of getting the stocks completely, and here we can able to see about all the things related with the stocks fundamentals. Everything can be done. So when you give us such stock here, right? So you will be getting the complete analysis of the stock. That is one thing which we can do. You'll be seeing the financial shareholdings. All these things will be coming here. So you can able to do all the basic analysis here, the fundamental analysis. Everything will be coming here. So this all topics are related to the fundamentals. Now, let me move on to the things like how this site can be used and what are the different specifications here. So this is the basic thing where you will be having the top gainers, top losers, new 52-week high, 52-week low, and it is like a glam of how the stocks are getting moved on a daily basis. So they will be having almost, they are giving some clubbing with the technical indicators like RSI, everything they are putting, and this is the first thing they are doing. And they have some reports too for our views. They are giving some calls like how it went according to the results like this. All these things is given here. And now moving on to the market section is done. Alpha alerts. So this is something like we can code according to the technical things. So whatever we like to code, we can code. I have not done, I mean, I have not used this feature as of now. So this is one thing we can able to use it. Next, results. So I mean to here the result section is something like whatever the stocks you're listing, right? So for that you'll be getting the results notification. This is actually a good thing. Next, mutual funds. They also have some information about mutual funds. So save taxes, long-term growth, and better than fixed deposit children's future. Accordingly, they have given the plans name here for the mutual funds. If you want to pick, you can pick anything accordingly. It is an recommendation for save taxes, long-term growth, better than deposit schemes, and children future or retirement schemes. So it is the recommendation for the plan accordingly. If you are a mutual fund people, you can have a look on it. You are a mutual fund investor. And This topic is completely for F&O, this particular tab. Okay, so it will be giving the information about the price dryness in the F&O. That is a 200 stock which is listed in F&O. You'll be having all the details. Price losses and price contract gainers, active features by contract, percentage OI gainers, percentage OI loser, percentage premium discount. All these things is given in detail here. Reports. This is the reports of all the stocks which is given from their end, like the buy, all these things, all recommendations. Something they will be giving for free, all these things, something like broker terminal recommendation. You can go ahead and have a look on it. Screeners, where you can able to build your own screeners here. So here you can build screeners accordingly. I am not aware of how to build screeners here. I am not using this specifically for my technical analysis. I feel that this would be like comparatively a technical analysis come fundamental analysis screener. It is a clubbing thing. And this part we are going to ignore. It's going to be the subscription and it's according to you. Superstars. This is one thing I like very much in this site. Reason being, whoever is the people, right? So all the HNIs, all their companies, all their net worth, everything will be listed here. So you can have a look on these things. Like Rakesh Domini, let's check what other stocks he's holding. I know very clearly he's holding DMart, anything. And how about others? Yeah. It's not like anything is the first thing. Yeah. India Cements, BST Industries, Food and Inns, Simplex Industries, Spencer Retail, and all these things. This is the entries for Mr. RK, and this is our Indian Warren Buffett. So actually, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's guru is Rakesh Domini, Radhakrishnan Domini. So this is the portfolio of Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and this is the companies which he is having. So this is getting updated every 3 months once, so you can have a look on it. So President of India, how many companies is holding, all these things you'll be knowing. So this is one important super thing which we have in this. And next is portfolio. This is something that you can build your own portfolio and you can track here with your broker terminal and parallelly here too. And if you want, you can add as a watch list too. And in this, you will be getting the watch list of the complete stock you'll be having. And this is all what I have for this complete site trend line. So it is more or less like a majority of fundamental investing site, and right now they are giving so many updates on technical sites as well and in F&O, and they are clubbing their activity with mutual fund. So what I can say here is they have a screener like build up and they are giving all things related to market similarly like a money control setup. Thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. And before I complete this video, right, so we have found 3 more sites to be added to this list, and we'll try to add it. And we will go for the again one by one discussion for the sites, particularly in separate, my dear friends. So do subscribe to my channel and do like my videos and try to communicate these things to your all trading friends so that you'll be getting a good update on all stock market related things. We as a group, we can grow, my dear friends. So for on all live updates, right? So keep in touch with me on Telegram so that you'll be getting all the necessary updates during the live market time. Thanks for watching this, friends. Watching this video, my dear friends. Catch you all with yet another good video very shortly. Still then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in home for some more time. Thanks. Bye-bye.